Hi, I'm Anthony, and today I'm going to show you how to back up your files so you never ever lose anything again. At one point or another, every memory stick you have will die, or get corrupted, or get lost, so it's a good idea to have a second, third, fourth copy ready so that when that crash happens, because it will, you don't lose all your irreplaceable files. The first tip I have is to keep your stuff safe from getting physically lost. You will notice that on all my drives, I have a keychain with my name and phone number on it. I do lose things, and these have saved me on more than one occasion. Thank you to the bus driver who found my wallet. My second tip is that when you're buying storage, think of it this way. When you're getting one drive, you're actually going to be buying two. One is your main copy that you carry with you on your keychain, in your bag, to school, to work. This is the one you do all your work on. And the other one stays at home in case something happens to this one. I've got my two drives plugged into my computer, and all I have to do is this. Take all the files and folders from your main drive and put them in a new folder. Label this with your phone number and name, so again, if you do happen to lose it, hopefully a good person finds it. Next, all you have to do is drag and drop this into your second drive. Now you have a backup. Whew, I don't know about you, but I already feel better. So from now on, at the end of every day or every week, just drag and drop your main folder. It will say, do you want to replace? Yes. Now it will copy all your new files and changes, and you will always have an exact duplicate. Now, the drag and drop method works great for small files on USB sticks, like Word documents, PowerPoint presentations, some photos, you'll be fine. But what if you're like me and have a 4 terabyte hard drive that's constantly being filled up with videos and thousands of photos? It would take hours to replace all the gigabytes on here. So this is what I do instead. I have my main working drive that I carry with me, with my contact on it of course. And then over here in this drawer lives my backup drive, inside a waterproof container so that hopefully this never happens, but if the sprinkler system goes off and everything is soaked, my videos will still be fine, because obviously that's the most important thing. Now instead of dragging and dropping, I use a software called ChronoSync. It costs like $40, and all you have to do is open the app, and I have it set to make a copy left to right, from my main drive to the backup. And I press start. Instead of replacing every single file, the software looks for only the things that are new and brings them over. And just like that, that's how easy it is to have peace of mind that you have a backup of all your files. Like I said before, at some point or another, your storage will crash. And by the law of the universe, it will happen at the worst possible time. It's happened to me, it's happened to people I know, right at the end of the semester when your final project is due and you lose everything. I hope this video gave you the tools so this doesn't happen to you. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.